Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you 10 tips and tricks on how to save battery on your Motorola Edge 40. The first one is the adaptive screen brightness. You can go to your drop down menu here and then, set the brightness of your screen there. Or even better is you go to your settings, go to display and then adaptive brightness. Your screen brightness will automatically adjust to your environment and activities. You can move the slider manually to help adaptive brightness learn your preferences. So you can turn it off and, to save some battery, you want to have that on. The second tip is to use the dark mode. You can go to your settings again, go to display and then go to dark theme. And you can turn that here just on in general or schedule it to really save some battery. You might want to have it on like in general without any schedule, but that's totally up to you. The third option is to manage app notifications, so you can disable unnecessary app notifications to reduce battery drain. For that you need to go to settings and then to notifications, and then you need to go to app settings, and then you can go to all apps here, and now you can enable and disable the app notifications. So you can say no notifications from my calendar, from my clock, CQA test, whatever that is, data restore tool, and whatever you want to disable there. The fourth option is to enable the battery saving mode. You can activate the built-in battery saving mode on your device. You can go to your drop-down menu and then go to battery saver. You can say battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity and delays notifications. Turn on, and now our battery saving mode is on. You can see that there, the little battery thingy is red. You can also go to your settings, go to battery, and then go to battery saver, and it's on right now. The fifth option is to disable the vibration and the haptic feedback. You can turn off vibrations and the haptic feedback for notifications and touches. You can go to your settings, go to sounds and vibration, and then you can make some settings here. You can go to vibration and haptics, turn that off in general, or turn specific things off here. The sixth option is to use the adaptive or manual refresh rate. You can go to your settings, go to display, and then go to display refresh rate, and it's set to auto right now, smart optimization up to 120. You have the note here, high display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing but drains the battery faster. The next option is to manage your apps and force some apps to stop so they don't run in the background. For that you need to go to your settings, go to apps, and then go to all apps, and when you click on an app you can say force stop. Alright, go back, and then you can look through here what you really don't need to run in the background. The next option is to clear your app cache. Periodically clear apps to free up some storage space, and for that you need to go to settings and go to not battery but go to storage, and then go to apps and click on an app, and then you can say clear cache, and then you can go back. You can do that with all the apps that you like here. Then you can also go ahead and optimize the battery usage. For that you need to go to battery, then you need to go to optimize charging, learn your pattern. Over time your device will learn your typical charging pattern. It may take several days for your device to provide optimized charging. Got it? All right. And you can also enable the overcharge protection, that's also useful, and then you can go back. And the last tip I have for you is to update apps and software. So you can go to your Play Store and update your apps here. When you go to manage apps and device, updates available, 8 updates, so you can update all these apps. Or go ahead to your settings and then go to system updates, and here you have the option to check for updates. If you would have an update available, you should go ahead and install it. So that were 10 tips and tricks to help you save some battery on your Motorola Edge 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.